This is another video about our trip from San Francisco to Seattle. On day 4, we left Seattle before 8 a.m. and headed to Olympia, then to South Bend, taking Road 101 south along the coast of Willapa Bay. One stop at a gas station and one stop at a rock shop, where we've got a few interesting slabs of local petrified wood, a type of fossil state of Washington is famous for, thanks to the volcanic activity in a distant past. Another mineralogical curiosity in the area are nodules with fossilized crabs inside. A large one of these was split in front of our eyes to reveal the creature trapped for millions of years within the concretion. Then we stopped by at the rest area near the bridge across Columbia River. The place has a history of salmon-associated activities, catching and canning. Over 40 canneries were established here in the 19th century. If you ever travel to the north coast of Oregon, Astoria Column is the place to visit. Situated on the top of Coxcomb Hill above the town of Astoria, the column is an epicenter of historical and geographical importance. The column was built to commemorate the Great Northern Railway in 1926. The southern side of the tower has a view to two rivers, Lewis and Clark River, formerly known under the name Netoul, and Young's River. Both are connected to Young's Bay. Young's River was discovered by the expedition of Robert Broughton in 1792 and named after Sir George Young, an admiral of the British Royal Navy. You can also notice Saddle Mountain, with its characteristic profile resembling a saddle. A local tribe, Clatsop, has a creation story associated with this mountain. It says that, at the beginning of time, Thunderbird laid eggs on top of the mountain. A giant, or giantess to be more precise, pushed the eggs down the hill where they broke, revealing human beings in each of them. The children of Thunderbird became ancestors of the local tribes. A metal bridge that gets you to Washington State after crossing Columbia River is visible on the northern side of the column. Columbia River is just stunning in its grandeur. It takes 5 to 10 minutes to get up using the very narrow, winding metal stairs. The views are breathtaking, of course, and you can buy a little toy glider to throw it from the observation desk. The souvenir store also offers tiny bottles with the hair of Bigfoot, a mysterious creature that is believed to inhabit mountain forests in this area. Yes, you will have to pay a $5 parking fee, but the experience you'll get in return is well worth it. You can grab a chair and have a meal looking down on the town and the landscape. There's a maritime museum down the hill in town. We had to skip and leave it for another visit because a delay due to the construction on the bridge took up our time and we had to move on. Driving south from Astoria along the coast was fun. Cannon Beach was too crowded, although we found a few coastal access points in a residential area down the road. We were hoping to see the famous Haystack Rock, but the afternoon fog was too strong. No real visibility a few hundred yards into the ocean. It was covered with a blanket of clouds. Arcadia Beach was more welcoming. We had a picnic and a quick walk on the beach. Passing by the coastal settlements and little towns with picturesque views of the Pacific Ocean, we reached Tillamook Creamery well after 5 p.m. It was still open, and after looking at the cheese processing line from above during a self-guided tour, we went downstairs and bought a white chocolate strawberry ice cream for dinner. The Tillamook brand and company were officially established in 1909, and continued to grow into the 1900s, gaining a mascot, a cute cow, brand recognition, and more locations. The creamery we visited was rebuilt recently in 2018 to serve as a tourist attraction and display the history of the Tillamook cheese production. It is now one of the most visited locations in Oregon, drawing in over 1 million visitors each year. Thanks for watching! Please check out our other videos about travels and the nature of the Pacific Coast. Hasta la vista!